An interview has been arranged with the team leader of DHL Kota Baru, Kelantan, Ensik Ahmad Nafis Mustafa to know more details about consumer behavior in logistics industry, practical issues, challenges facing and also the upstream and downstream of the company. The history of DHL. Founded in 1969 LI. Founded by Adrian Dalsey, Larry Hildlam and Robert Lynn. DHL taken from the first letters of the names of the three founders. Beginning. DHL began and operate the international door-to-door express delivery service, transporting documents only between San Francisco, California and Honolulu. Continue growing. DHL uses its substantial experience and expertise in the international air express industry to commence and expand their operations and services. Networks continue to develop. Shareholder. 2002. Deutsche Post WorldNet become the major shareholder in DHL. The company then absorbed DHL into Express division. Now, DHL is now present in over 220 countries and territories across the globe, and is the global market leader in international express, overland transport and air freight now. DHL Express more focus on transport urgent documents and goods reliably and on time from door to door. The international express business is benefiting to all the organization in international trade from cross-border e-commerce. DHL Global Forwarding is asset-light as it based on the brokering transport services between customers and freight carriers. The global network of DHL allows DHL to provide efficient routing and multimodal transport. DHL Supply Chain provided contract logistics solution in the whole supply chain process in a wide variety of sectors for customers. DHL also offer a standardized warehousing, transport and value-added service to customers. DHL Parcel is a platform that provide everyone to ship their parcel. It provides standard domestic and international parcel pickup, delivery and return solution for everyone, neither business customers or individual consumers. DHL e-commerce offers high-quality domestic deliveries, reliable cross-border shipments to end-to-end fulfillment services.
Now I'll explain the DHL upstream transportation. So there are 6 processes. The first one is customer can print out their own airway bill and book a collection. Then DHL Courier will collect the customer's shipment. The shipment will first be sorted at a DHL service center and then it will be sorted at a DHL hub. Next, shipment is loaded onto a DHL aircraft, and lastly, the custom clearance information is sent to the customer. Furthermore, DHL inbound transport solution also provides some of the advantages to their customers. The first one is routes optimization, reduce environmental footprint, reduce on overall cost of customers' inventory by consolidating deliveries, and lastly is reduce yard traffic by minimizing the number of suppliers accessing to customers' facility. This is the flow of DHL downstream transportation. On arrival at destination, all shipment is scanned and sorted for domestic delivery at the DHL hub and local service center before completing its final mile delivery, while all the international cargo was sent to Hong Kong hub first, then changed to DHL fleet and continued to send the cargoes to each country. The DHL outbound transport operation helps their customers to increase the agility of domestic distribution through the utilization of scheduled routes with the real-time monitoring, and then increase speed to market and reduce environmental impact. And then also DHL outbound transport operation also helps to increase asset utilization through consolidation and load optimization. This is the DHL marketing strategy. DHL Group is delivery service targeting both B2B and B2C customers. They define their service as customer-centric because they believe focuses on customer service is the way. DHL also provides service at doorstep, and then DHL also believe content marketing is crucial because people like to do research before buying something. So for example, like a professional website with relevant content.
DHL divide their customer into three types. The first type is strategic customers. They require complex supply chain services. Therefore, DHL builds strong cooperation relationship with them by using the best technology and services. Next, long-term relationship customers. They are loyal customers because they need DHL services frequently and regularly. Last but not least is normal customers. They just need DHL services once a time, therefore they are not loyal customers. However, DHL give discount price for the business customers in order to approach them into loyal customers. DHL tend to maintain their quality of service. Therefore, their employees can speak local language in order for the communication purpose. Next, the parcel is using the correct packaging based on the guideline. And the DHL Express encourage employees to join training or courses to improve individual skill and knowledge. DHL Express also keep their system up to date and use the suitable equipment such as electronic machine to measure the parcel size and weight as shown in the picture. DHL Express provide comfortable working conditions for their employees, such as toilets, refreshment, and etc. DHL Express is proud of its quality services, such as short delivery time and safety issues. For example, DHL Express ensure the parcel from America will depart in Singapore within 2 to 3 working days. For environmental protection issues, DHL have Go Green program, which is aimed to reduce their logistic-related greenhouse gas and air pollutant emissions to zero by the year 2050. The DHL in-house carbon management team will calculate all transport-related emissions of carbon dioxide, which is guided by burn less and burn clean principle. Customers could choose carbon neutral shipping when they use DHL Express as their logistic provider. DHL give training to their employees in order to create awareness on environmental issues.
Now I will present the challenge facing consumer behavior in logistics industry. First challenge is operational cost. Inflation influence the price of goods increase. Money saving measure must apply to ensure the logistics industry can use money wisely. Second, demand of market. People tend to use high-tech products has caused a reduce in the demand for physical products. The reducing of demand will also reduce the supply at the same time. Third is environment. Climate change or pollution of environment will give change to the government law. Hence, the logistic industry will be affected. Fourth is customer service. The logistics industry can follow the principle of 7 rights of logistics to increase the satisfaction of consumer. The last is partner relationship. A good partner relationship will help the logistics industry to obtain the opportunity for improvement. In contrast, a bad partner relationship will bring trouble.